Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is July 9th, 2017. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is still in correction, but the market attempted to rally. I have bought some stocks, but with a very small position. Let's take a look at the indices. First is the German DAX index. It's still below 50-day moving average. Nasdaq attempt to rally on Friday. It actually touched the 50-day moving average, but it closed below 50-day moving average. So overall, the trend is still going down, but because the market tried twice on Wednesday and Friday attempt to rally. So there is a potential next week the market may Nasdaq may go above 50-day moving average again, but we don't know that for sure until it happens. So for now, we just play that market is still in the correction phase. SP 500 actually on Friday it closed above 50-day moving average. That's better than Nasdaq. Gold has come down. Silver come down, broke previous support. And gold mining stock ETF also dropped. Crude oil came down after it hit the 50-day moving average, so hit the resistance and came down. China Asia market keep going up, so it finished this double bottom pattern. This is a W, which is a double bottom pattern, and now it's in the uptrend. China ETF and consolidating here. This is 3 times of semiconductor. Right now, the semiconductor is also correcting. So 3 times ETF is very risky right now. So don't buy the 3 times ETF. 3 times technology ETF is also very risky because the technology index is correcting. It's below 50-day moving average. So 3 times ETF is very risky right now. BOTZ, this is a artificial intelligence ETF. And looks like it tried to rebound from 50-day moving average. So that would be a good opportunity to get in right now. FAS is a 3 times financial ETF. Financial index is very strong right now. The FAS is the strongest ETF among all the leveraged 3 times leveraged ETF. QQQ is the 1 times Nasdaq ETF, and as you can see, this is the same as the index itself. It's below 50-day moving average. ROBO is another artificial intelligence ETF, but this one is below 50-day moving average. Semiconductor ETF below 50-day moving average, but it's attempt to rally. So we should see how semiconductor perform next week. If this SMH, if next week can go very well, that can pull the whole high technology, the high tech, back to the 50-day moving average. So for now, we need to watch the semiconductor, see how it will do next week. Social media ETF, SOCL, this is social media ETF, and for now, this one is remains sideways, and we need to watch this carefully as well, see if it breaks down or it bounce back up. Let's take a look at the stocks. And DHI, this is a builder, real estate builder stock. This one broke out and it's right now in a buy range. Other stocks like Amazon, Microsoft, Applied Materials, Facebook, those are above 50-day moving average. But Google and Apple are still below 50-day moving average. And then there are other stocks like NVIDIA, CGNX, Delphi, DLPH. Those are the artificial intelligence related stocks. and then biotech, and VEV is actually biotech software. Those are very strong stocks. Let's just take a look. AAOI, this is a very strong stock. As you can see, it bounced back above 50-day moving average and with a high volume. That's a good thing. Apple is still below 50-day moving average and consolidating here. Applied Materials on Friday attempt to rally above 50-day moving average, but closed slightly below it. And for now, Applied Materials need to be watched because it's a very strong stock. If it go above 50-day moving average, may present another chance to buy it. Amazon above 50-day moving average. That's a strong stock. CGNX, artificial intelligence, and right now it's still below 50-day moving average. DHI, this is a builder stock, DR Horton, and this one is breaking out from this base. So Friday breaking out at the buy point, still within the buy range. DLPH, Delphi, this is a self-driving car company, above 50-day moving average. That's a good sign. Facebook above 50-day moving average. Google is below 50-day moving average. Google just broke down here. So Microsoft attempt to close above 50-day moving average. Microsoft also in a nice uptrend here. NVIDIA is pretty strong. It never break the 50-day moving average. It remain above it, so very strong. Viva Systems, this is a pharmaceutical related software company, VEEV, above 50-day moving average and very strong. What to do in this market? If you were to long the market, be very selective. It means choose the strongest stocks and with a small position. And if you want to stay out of the market, it's perfectly fine for now. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.